Hi, we are students from the Science Academy.
And today we will be presenting our PBL project called
The Rolling Back Can.
The first step you do in creating this rolling back can is use a screwdriver to make a hole in the middle of the bottom of your can, and then make another hole in the middle of the lid of the can. Second step is to tape the 9-volt battery to the middle of the rubber band. Make sure both sides of the rubber band are taped to the top of the battery. Third step is push one end of your rubber band loop through the hole in the bottom of the can and secure it there by attaching one of the paper clips. Stretch the rubber band across the length of the can and push the other end of the rubber band loop through the hole in the lid. Secure the rubber band with a paper clip. Put the lid on the can. If the battery rubs against the side of the can, try a shorter rubber band. The last step to do is set the can on its side on a hard, flat surface and give it a roll, and watch as it rolls back to you. The science behind our PBL project involves with energy, potential energy and kinetic energy to be exact. Potential energy is stored energy of position possessed by an object. Kinetic energy is energy in the form of motion. The secret to all this energy transfer comes from the weight that you've taped to the rubber band inside the can. While the weight is being pulled down by gravity, it is also being subjected to a twisting force from the rubber band. So long as the force being exerted by gravity on the weight is greater than the twisting rubber band's force on the weight, the rubber band will continue to twist. Once all of the kinetic energy from the rolling can has been exhausted by converting to friction or potential energy, the can stops rolling and the weighted rubber band is able to unwind. This happens because of the weight in the middle of the rubber band. Only the ends of the loop are able to unwind, and therefore the can begins to roll backwards.
This concludes our PBL project.
Thank you for watching the Science Academy.
For my ELA component, I have chosen to create a newspaper. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher and a scientist born in the city of Stagira Chalkidis on the northern periphery. The concept of potentiality generally refers to any possibility that a thing can be said to have. Aristotle did not consider all possibilities the same and emphasized the importance of those that become real of their own accord when conditions are right and nothing stops them.